I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you.
Welcome to Motorsports Menia, your go-to destination for everything automotive, where we bring you detailed reviews, latest updates, and in-depth features on some of the most iconic and interesting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're diving into a unique fusion of classic design and modern engineering with the 2026 GAZ 21 Volga. This car represents a bold attempt to revive a Soviet-era legend with 21st-century performance and comfort. The 2026 GAZ 21 Volga takes inspiration from the original GAZ 21 that was first introduced in the mid-1950s, a car that quickly became a symbol of Soviet luxury and prestige. While keeping the original silhouette and charm of the classic model, the new generation brings in a completely re-engineered structure. It now sits on a modern lightweight chassis that significantly enhances ride comfort and safety. The exterior styling retains the signature grille and sweeping body lines but incorporates LED lighting, alloy wheels, and a more aerodynamic profile, giving it a striking presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers around 240 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides a smooth driving experience with enough punch to satisfy enthusiasts looking for a blend of heritage and performance. There's also a hybrid variant expected to launch later in the year, which should cater to those seeking fuel efficiency without sacrificing the car's vintage appeal. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a fusion of retro aesthetics and contemporary features. The dashboard is a tribute to the original with chrome accents and analog-style dials, but it also houses a digital driver display and a touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort features include leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a premium sound system. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom and optional fold-down trays, giving it an executive feel. On the safety front, the 2026 GAZ 21 Volga comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. It's clear that while the car pays homage to its classic roots, it does not compromise on modern safety and driver assistance technologies. The driving dynamics have also been significantly improved. Thanks to a revised suspension system and improved weight distribution, the new Volga handles corners more confidently and offers a quieter, more stable ride at highway speeds. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising long distances, it delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. This model is not just a car but a statement piece, ideal for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates a car that stands out from the mainstream. It represents a respectful modernization of a cultural icon while embracing the needs and expectations of today's drivers. The 2026 GAZ 21 Volga is a rare combination of nostalgia and innovation, making it a compelling option for those who want something different yet familiar. Thank you for tuning into Motorsports Mania. If you love detailed car reviews, performance tests, and all things automotive, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. We've got more exciting content on the way and you won't want to miss what's coming next.